In 2024, Bill Ackman sees a golden opportunity emerging amidst rising inflation. But what exactly does this mean for everyday investors? Could inflation be the key to unlocking wealth in the coming years? In this video, we'll delve into Bill Ackman's insights about the promising opportunity presented by inflation in 2024. As we navigate through the complexities of the financial landscape, there's a sense of anticipation and excitement, coupled with a tinge of apprehension. Ackman's words resonate deeply, sparking curiosity and hope among investors seeking to secure their financial futures. Amidst the uncertainty, there's a glimmer of optimism, a belief that perhaps inflation could be the key to unlocking prosperity for those who are prepared. So, let's embark on this journey together and explore the potential for wealth creation in the face of inflationary pressures. Unveiling the warning signs. Bill Ackman, a well-known billionaire investor, has recently raised concerns about inflation. His words carry a lot of weight in the financial world, making us pay close attention. As mortgage rates become unstable and signs of economic trouble start to show, it's clear that big changes might be on the horizon. But even in these uncertain times, there's room for opportunity. Those who can understand what's happening and make smart choices might find themselves on the path to financial success. It's like seeing a storm coming, but also spotting a chance to weather it and come out stronger on the other side. Ackman's message is a reminder to stay alert and adaptable, ready to face whatever challenges may come our way. Bill Ackman. Bill Ackman's reputation precedes him, casting a long shadow over the investment landscape. With a career marked by remarkable achievements and shrewd maneuvers, he has earned the admiration and attention of investors worldwide. His profound understanding of market dynamics, honed over years of navigating the complexities of finance, sets him apart as a sage voice in turbulent times. As we hang on to his every word, we embark on a voyage fueled by curiosity and determination, eager to unravel the secrets hidden within his insights. Ackman's guidance offers a beacon of hope amidst economic uncertainty, inspiring us to navigate the stormy seas of finance with courage and foresight. In his wisdom lies the potential to transform adversity into opportunity, turning challenges into stepping stones toward financial prosperity. The Federal Reserve's dilemma. At the heart of the battle against inflation stands the Federal Reserve, entrusted with the critical task of upholding monetary stability. However, as Bill Ackman astutely points out, the Fed's endeavors may be inadequate in light of the escalating obstacles. With interest rates climbing and economic signals hinting at a deceleration, the Fed is teetering on the edge of a precipice. The choices they make in the imminent future carry weighty implications, extending beyond the confines of the economy to impact investors globally. Grasping the significance of their role and comprehending the potential ramifications of their decisions becomes paramount as we navigate the murky waters of uncertainty. Emotions run high as we await the Fed's next move, aware that our financial destinies hang in the balance. Forecasting the future. According to Ackman, the road ahead looks tough, with inflation expected to stay high. Changes in the economy, along with things like government shutdowns, make the future seem gloomy. But even in tough times like these, there's still hope for those who are ready to adjust and take advantage of new opportunities. Ackman's advice about how the financial world is changing can guide investors through the challenges and help them come out stronger in the end. It's a bit scary, but also exciting to think about what lies ahead and how we can prepare ourselves for whatever comes our way. Strategies for success. Amidst the turbulence of inflation, Ackman offers a glimmer of hope, highlighting strategies that could potentially lead to prosperity in these uncertain times. By investing in companies with robust fundamentals and pricing power, investors can position themselves to weather the storm and emerge stronger. Ackman's investment philosophy, akin to that of Warren Buffett, emphasizes value investing and long-term growth potential. By emulating his strategies and learning from his successes, investors can enhance their chances of success in an inflationary environment. Sector analysis and diversification. However, not all sectors are created equal when it comes to weathering the inflation storm. Some industries, such as long-lasting goods and retail, may face greater challenges than others. Understanding the nuances of each sector and conducting thorough due diligence is essential for investors looking to build a resilient portfolio. Moreover, diversification emerges as a key strategy for mitigating risk in volatile times. By spreading investments across various asset classes and industries, investors can safeguard their portfolios against unforeseen downturns. Embracing financial fortitude. In a world where economic volatility seems to be the norm, it's imperative to equip ourselves with the tools and knowledge necessary to thrive. Ackman's insights serve as a guiding light amidst the darkness, offering a beacon of hope for investors seeking refuge from the storm of inflation. By understanding the intricacies of market dynamics and adopting a disciplined approach to investing, we can build a fortress of financial fortitude that withstands even the most turbulent of times. Adapting to changing tides. As Ackman astutely observes, the winds of change are blowing, and with them comes the promise of transformation. The traditional paradigms of investing may no longer suffice in this new era of heightened uncertainty. Instead, investors must be willing to adapt, to embrace innovation and creativity in their approach. By staying nimble and open-minded, we can seize opportunities that others overlook and position ourselves for success in a rapidly evolving landscape. Lessons from the masters. One of the most valuable lessons we can glean from Ackman's playbook is the importance of studying the masters who came before us. By examining the strategies of legendary investors like Warren Buffett, we gain valuable insights into the principles that underpin long-term success. From Buffett's emphasis on value investing to Ackman's focus on pricing power, these timeless principles serve as a compass, guiding us through the complexities of the market. The power of resilience. In times of economic upheaval, resilience emerges as a key determinant of success. Ackman's investment philosophy emphasizes the importance of remaining steadfast in the face of adversity, of holding on to investments with conviction, even when the storm clouds gather. By cultivating a mindset of resilience and determination, we can weather the inevitable ups and downs of the market and emerge stronger on the other side. Charting a course for success. As we chart our course through the unpredictable seas of inflation, let us do so with purpose and resolve. Let us embrace the challenges that lie ahead, viewing them not as obstacles, but as opportunities for growth and learning. By staying true to our principles, by remaining disciplined in our approach, we can navigate through even the most treacherous of waters and emerge victorious on the other side. Empowerment through knowledge. Armed with this newfound understanding, we are better equipped to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. Ackman's wisdom serves as a guiding light, illuminating the path forward and empowering us to make informed decisions about our investments. By staying informed and remaining vigilant, we can navigate through the storms of inflation with confidence and poise. The road to financial success is fraught with challenges, but it is also lined with opportunity. By heeding the insights of financial luminaries like Bill Ackman, by learning from the lessons of the past, we can position ourselves for success in an uncertain world. Let us embrace the journey ahead with courage and determination, knowing that with each challenge we overcome, we grow stronger and wiser. Together, let us embark on this adventure with confidence, secure in the knowledge that the rewards await those bold enough to seize them. Until next time, may your investments be wise and your fortunes be bountiful. Until we meet again, stay curious, stay informed, and may your financial future be bright. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable insights. I look forward to our next adventure together. Take care and happy investing.